Okay, so anyway, so you go to www.khanacademy.org. You first time through need to create an account in order to log in, and then you're going to click on the thing that says practice. Okay? So when you hit the practice button, then you get this universe thing that is full of math topics. And then the hard part for you is going to be finding the stuff that we worked on. Over here you can zoom in and zoom out. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can get a little bit better picture. And so you can see here are all of the different topics. Okay? We would be over here in the area of multiplication of division and absolute value and addition and subtraction. Okay? And so what you would need to do is click on one of these three areas that you need to work on. So you can look at your test and say, I really had trouble with adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, so I'm going to click on that. Okay? And then what they're going to do is they're going to give you some problems for you to work on, some practice problems. You just type in the answer and then check your answer. It tells you if you were right or wrong. The fun thing about this whole Khan Academy deal is this guy that made all of these videos to help kids get smarter at math. And so if you're doing something and you're not sure how to do it, there's a video that comes with each one of them, and it will tell you, it'll sort of walk you through how to solve some of the stuff, okay? Now you might do it, you might click on a thing and go, no, this is too easy, this isn't what I want, I don't want to know that this is 832. So go back to the practice thingy, and you might have to, like I said, poke around a little bit until you find the ones that fit with what we've been working on, okay? But we're going to be up here somewhere in multiplication and division, and you can zoom in a little bit and get more specific things. So absolute value or whatever, you can zoom in a little bit here, and now you got all kinds of stuff to look at.
All the way.
Okay, there I'm zoomed in all the way. So here you can do stuff that has word problems. You can do division. You can do, here's where we're at more, is multiplying and dividing negative numbers. So you can click on that, and that will give you more specific things to work on. We're not really so much dividing decimals, and I'm sure you can find some simple equation stuff to solve too, okay? So go through there and then practice, find the stuff that you need to work on, practice your skills, all right? And then the fourth step is tell me that you are ready. And what I will do is you can come and sit down with me and show me on the computer, because it tracks what you have done. And so we can sit down on my computer, log on to your Khan Academy account, and you can say, look, Mr. Ulrich, over the past 3 days, I did 52 different problems on adding and subtracting integers or whatever, okay? And then I can see that, and then I'll go, okay, awesome, let's do some stuff. You can also, to find the things, you can search, okay? So you could say solving equations.
How is this supposed to help our grade? How do you...
So you could go to solving equations, and you can find it this way too. So you can click on the exercises if you want, and then it'll give you some practice on solving equations, okay? The way, Jordan, this is supposed to help you is it gives you another chance to learn the material that you didn't obviously learn yet. The reason why I don't want you to just come in tomorrow and retake the test is because you'll probably get about the same grade you did before. You have to do some work to show that you're learning what you didn't learn before. And this is a good, easy way for you to do that on your own on a computer. Okay?
The only way we can retake the test is if we can...
Yeah, so you got to do some work first before I will let you retake the test. Otherwise, there's no reason to do it. Okay, Kara? I just gave you the problem.
Did you put the test in the grade book?
Test just went in this afternoon, so if you were looking at your grade last night, they would have been in there, but they will be tonight. Haley, did you have a? No, because you, like I said, just came out. I just need to remember to delete that from your grade, okay? And that's not bad, like I said, for not having.